Some love stories are never told all at once. This one was written slowly, in ink, in shadow, across time. 13 letters were written, not to be sent, not to be answered, but to be kept. Each letter carried what could not be spoken aloud, folded carefully and sealed, and pressed between pages where no one else would look. Some were written by candlelight, some after midnight. One was marked simply the 13th. Together they became a quiet archive of devotion, love restrained, love remembered, love that learned how to survive in silence. This is 13 Love Letters. 13 Love Letters is a Gothic Valentine journal kit inspired by antique love letters, mourning stationery, and romantic shadows that live between Valentine and Halloween. The pages are designed to feel like something discovered, gathered from forgotten papers, shaped by time, and held together by whatever was never meant to be spoken aloud. Inside the kit, you'll find softly aged journal pages layered in grayscale, paired with decorative Gothic pattern papers inspired by vintage wallpaper, fabric, and storybook illustrations. Throughout the kit are Gothic romantic motifs, hearts and thorns, moths and roses, ravens, moons, and wax seals, and subtle references to letters. The color palette is intentionally restrained with muted pops of oxblood, softened blush, and shadowed plum layered over black and gray charcoal and aged parchment tones. The ephemera is designed for layering and storytelling. Journaling cards, tags, pockets, and small details that feel like fragments pulled from the letters themselves. Everything is meant to work together easily, whether you're creating a Gothic Valentine journal or a Valloween project, or simply adding a darker romantic presence to your pages. 13 Love Letters is a collection shaped by restraint, gathered, preserved, and bound by what was never spoken aloud. These pages were never meant to reveal everything at once. They hold their meaning in fragments, in shadows, and in what remains unsaid. For now, the letters remain sealed and waiting in the dark. This is 13.